A human who says salad can't be stir fried. Well, on my channel, we're flipping the script and proving that healthy eating can be vibrant, exciting, and oh so delicious. I'm Braxton Evelyn, the beauty food chick. Welcome to my channel. Today's recipe is all about a big, beautiful bowl of stir-fried, colorful veggies that will leave your taste buds singing. Okay, here's what we're working with. We have onions, carrots, cauliflower, purple cabbage, cherry tomatoes, and seedless cucumbers because I prefer the seedless cucumbers. In my opinion, they are tastier, they're easy to navigate around salads. That's just me. So use any vegetables that catch your fancy. The spontaneous magic of cooking is what makes this dish extra special. So, let's dive in. So right here, I kicked things off by stir-frying onions, carrots, and cauliflower just for say a minute. The step basically softens them slightly while keeping their crunch alive. Now it's time to build layers of flavors. I sprinkled in black pepper, a pinch of salt, and I added chopped beef sausages for that savory kick. Then comes the star, a whole peppers and minced garlic to bring warmth and a hint of spice to the mix. The aroma is irresistible. Trust me. Here's where the fun happens. Instead of tossing everything into the heat, I set the purple cabbage, cherry tomatoes, and cucumbers aside. Why, you may be wondering? Because they bring that fresh crunch we all love in salads. Once the stir-fried mix cools down just a bit, I add those raw beauties to the bowl. A quick toss later, the flavors marry beautifully, and you've got a dish that's equal parts cooked and fresh. A texture dream come true. Oh my god, the taste. Let me tell you about this taste. The taste is next level amazing. The stir-fried veggies brings warmth and comfort, while the raw additions add a crisp, refreshing bite. It's a party of flavors and texture in every single bite. Why try this? For me, cooking is an adventure, and dishes like this remind us that there's no one way to enjoy food. Who says that? The spontaneity of creating something new is thrilling. You should try it. And when it's this tasty and healthy, total win. Plus, stir-fried salads are a great way to enjoy warm meals while still reaping the benefits of fresh veggies. Give this recipe a try and let me know in the comments if you're team stir-fry or team raw when it comes to salads. Either way, you're in for a treat. Thank you so much. VLOGMAS 2024 is winding down, and I can't wait for you to see what I still have before Christmas. Alrighty, human. Like this video, share if you think someone needs to see this, and consider subscribing if you haven't. I'll see you in my next video. I love you. God bless you. Bye.